Good morning from day 3 here on Star Princess. We are just sailing in to our first port of call for this sailing, and that is Roatan, Honduras. We have never been here before, so we're excited to get off and explore the port area, and then we'll take in more from on board later. For now, we're about 1 hour away from docking, so we're going to go grab some breakfast and some coffee. So come along as we get this day of exploring started. Where are you taking me for breakfast, Will?
Oh, the buffet.
Oh, exciting. Okay, we got a nice little spot here on the promenade while we have breakfast while pulling into Roatan. Okay, we're getting our morning steps in. Okay, we are officially docked. You can see some of the shipwrecks that are dotting this area. I think there's another one just over here. Let's see if we can zoom up a little bit. As we made our way around the ship, it was pretty quiet, with a lot of people likely preparing to disembark here in Roatan. They were announcing throughout the morning that there would be some drills happening, and to expect some interruptions around the ship. They were conducting their drills outside as well, which can be pretty interesting to watch. We got our first look at Mahogany Bay. Now, it's not a far walk to get over there, but we had, let's say, an alternative means of getting to the beach. Stand by for that. We even got a little bit of plane spotting in. So we finished breakfast and then some showers rolled in. So we've been kind of just wandering around, but we've decided we're going to head to Alfredo's Pizza for lunch before we get off the ship, and then we'll go exploring. And we have to wander through deck 9 from midship to get toward the piazza, which is where Alfredo's Pizza is located. It's kind of a strange situation having to wander through these cabin areas to get from place to place, but we're learning our way. So we've come to Alfredo's Pizza for lunch because it's one of the casual dining options included in the Plus package. So we're gonna have lunch here at Alfredo's, then we'll head off and start exploring Roatan. So I'm gonna start with the enchilada salad.
And I'm gonna start with the minestrone soup.
Okay, my pizza margarita has arrived. Looks good.
And I have a very large vegetarian calzone.
That looks amazing.
It looks awesome. It smells good.
Okay, I think I'm gonna have to roll this pizza up. Wow. Oh, nice and crispy on the outside. Look at that. Oh, that's really good. That's nice and hot.
Alrighty.
Oh, that looks good.
Look at those colors. I think I got more dough than pizza, but let's try it.
And each of us have ordered the cannoli. Look at that. Okay, they're doing some sort of safety drill, and the elevators are not working temporarily just as we were heading out. So down 18 decks we go. It was one way to take in some artwork around the ship and in the stairwells. Okay, we did officially step foot into Roatan. However, as soon as we did, it started to rain again. Just our luck, we stopped at Alfredo's for lunch, and it was nice and sunny then. But we missed the sun because as soon as we stepped out, rain again.
Rain again, but we have a long port day, so hopefully we can get out and still enjoy it.
We're here until 8 p.m. tonight, so with any luck, it will clear up and we'll head out. But for now, let's go grab a drink somewhere and monitor the weather, and then we'll head out. For those not wanting to brave the rain, there were lots of activities on board. Now we just need a few of these dark clouds to go away. The drills are continuing.
All right, we're trying this again.
Okay, we are off the ship, and as luck would have it, it's raining again. But we're gonna go anyway. We're probably gonna get soaked, but
Oh well.
when in Roatan. We were initially headed toward nature, and then a duty-free shop got in the way. Mahogany Bay, Roatan. We made it. All right, so it's a pretty big area in here. Chairlift. We do have tickets for the chairlift, so let's go this way. So we bought tickets to the chairlift, and it's supposed to take us over to the beach area, but we're just gonna do it just to check out some of the scenery. If you buy the tickets ahead of time, they're a little bit cheaper. They were $12 US each, and it's essentially unlimited rides for the day, is our understanding. We'll check out this little area more on our way out, I think. Here it is, the magical flying beach chair. Come on, our magical flying beach chair is waiting for us.
Let's go.
Okay, we are on the magic flying chairs, or whatever they call it. Going up.
Going up.
Not for very far, because we're stopped already. We're about 25 feet off the ground and going nowhere. Oh, here we go.
We're going.
Well, it certainly makes for a pretty good view of the ship from up on the chairlift here. Very nice. All right, we're coming to the end here, and the rain has stopped.
It is.
For the moment.
For the moment.
And there's the first full view of Star Princess that we've had so far, because we couldn't really get a good look from Fort Lauderdale at Port Everglades, but now we've got an unobstructed view of the whole ship. She's a big one. So the chairlift takes you right to the beach. Well, this looks like a lovely little spot. You can rent loungers with the clamshells, and it is pretty much cleared out, I guess because of that little bit of rain, but still a few hours left yet. All right, a little stroll on the beach. So I guess we can't go any further, but let's get a little peek. No problem with getting a lounger today. Okay, what's up this way? Oh, we got some showers. Okay, some beach rentals here. Okay, we don't want to leave the port, but let's see. Instead of taking the chairlift back toward the ship, because you certainly don't have to pay and use the magic flying beach chair, we decide to take some of the walkways and trails back toward the pier. Okay, over the bridge that we seen on our way over on the chairlift. And that's the magic chair ride. There's some of the water sport areas. Oh, I think we see a few fish in there. No, I think they're gone. Thank you for visiting Mahogany Beach, Roatan. Well, you're welcome. Well, we are going to take the nature trail back toward the ship. I guess there's a little photo spot down here. Let's check it out. Oh, yes. It's a little wet in here, but oh, yeah. All right, to the trail.
To the trail.
A little swing with a view.
Very sharp though, gotta be careful.
Okay, oh, this is a little bit steep here. Oh, I didn't know we were going hiking today. No, this is only a short little trail. But definitely not for those who might have mobility problems.
A lot of uneven ground here.
There, you should feel a little cooler now.
Oh, feels nice.
Oh, we have a sign up ahead. Oh, to the pier. Perfect. And we must emerge from the fog. A little moist. All right, watch your head. These safety ropes, I guess, are good. They're nice and bright, but you fall off the edge before you get to the rope. Oh, now we have some downhill on very loose gravel, actually. Round we go. Oh, and I think that's it. We are back on solid ground.
Success. We conquered nature.
Yes, you adventurer, you. Okay, we're gonna check out the port area itself. It looks like mostly just shops and whatnot, but
Shopping.
let's find out. The shopping area at Mahogany Bay is an open-air plaza located right after the duty-free shop at the pier entrance. It has some typical cruise port brands, along with a small pharmacy and convenience store, and a few restaurants. It's also where you can access taxis and some excursion providers. This looks like where you would exit the port if you were leaving altogether for excursions and whatnot. Oh, this is the big craft market. All little stalls protected from the weather. What did you buy?
I bought a t-shirt.
Okay. A little restaurant in here, the bar. No, you can't have a cruise port without Diamonds International. All right, we are going to wander back toward the ship. I think it's actually just down here. Oh, actually, duty-free shop. Let's check this out first. All right, we're back. And back on board we head. What does this evening on Star Princess have to offer? Let's go find out. Okay, we are back on board and we are dry. Other than a few drops of rain when we first got off, it stayed pretty nice. It was actually the perfect temperature for just exploring the port and checking out a few of those trails and whatnot. Yeah, nice little port here in Roatan. Now tonight we have a nighttime sail away. We don't depart until around 8 p.m. So we'll see if we can catch any of that. But for now, we're going to get ourselves ready, figure out what we're doing for dinner, and then see what's on the entertainment schedule for tonight. Okay, we've got an old boat towing another very old boat. It doesn't sound too healthy down there. And she's pretty dark out there now. Mahogany Bay is a pretty small little spot, but it's lit up over there. Okay, we are all ready for the evening. I say pre-dinner drink.
Pre-dinner drink.
Let's go. We decided on the Lido bar, where we were treated to quite the daring act. Main dining room time. Starting with some shrimp for me and avocado toast for Will. All right, a little penne for me.
And Thai coconut soup with tofu. And watermelon and feta salad.
Okay, dessert has arrived. A little tart for me.
I decided on the apple strudel. Looks good.
After dinner, we made our way toward the theater, but there was a bit of entertainment happening in the piazza as well. Okay, we're all finished up our dinner in the main dining room. It took a little longer than it has so far because someone ordered a little something special from the vegan menu.
Very good.
Yes.
All very good.
So it was worth it. But yeah, we just made our way to the arena, so the main theater, for a show called Dueling Divas by someone named Trenyce, which we have not heard of, but apparently she is a Grammy-nominated artist. And she's going to be singing songs from Whitney Houston and Diana Ross. So we're looking forward to seeing how that is. So we're going to settle in here, take in this show, and we'll see what else we get up to.
Okay, wait, see, why do the men run away? What's your name?
Ron.
Ron. Ron looks serious. Ron, don't you forget it. From Canada, he said. Love Canada. Give it up for Canada, everybody. Here I will always love you.
Well, that was a fantastic show.
Yeah, that was really good, and that's going to be it for us tonight because we need to get some rest because we have another port of call tomorrow, and we have plans that are going to have us up nice and early.
Too early.
So if you haven't subscribed yet, now is a great time to do so. It really helps support the channel, and be sure to hit the bell notification so you don't miss our upcoming episodes. For now, thanks for watching. We'll see you in an upcoming episode.